Gooses. Got a leaf in my... This backflip won't get out. Ramp shaver. Yes, sir. Just tuck these bad boys back in here like this here. Lava boy. Hey, we don't eat mushrooms. No. I know it, that's what you're eating. You've been eating it. Where'd I at? Let me pull this up a little bit. I ain't just hitting a wall here. Lucy? That was too close, girl. Better watch it. I better watch it too. You heard her run? She said, I'm out of here. I gotta get... I don't know, maybe I should tape it on here. That rock's pretty fun to jump off of too. So these are the belted sledgehammers from the Sledge. And upgraded, I think they're an inch bigger, so gives about a ½ an inch of ground clearance. Look at that. I could probably do a double backflip. Mosquitoes are out, bro. Yes, sir. With that height, I could have done a double backflip. They give it so much torque. Welcome back. No, I saw him the other day. I'll try to pick him up if I see him. Yeah, he looked really young. Oopsie. Cogging's bad on this one, but it's to be expected. Train going by. And my dog's gone. There you are. You hid behind a tree? You scared me. I'm getting torn up on it. Oh, here. I'm gonna show you the... Is my battery dead? I think it's just the grass. Ow! I smacked it against my leg. That was stupid. Hogging is insane. It's acting normally, I think. Not even core half throttle there. Half throttle. There was full throttle. Shit. I don't know what my plan was there. God. Ripped up. If this isn't a testament to how strong this truck is, man. It's the freaking Thunder RC. There you go. We'll watch him. Okay, we're gonna shave the shit out of that. There we go. It's acting funny. It's cogging a lot. You see that hesitation when I go to hit. But yeah, that was about half throttle to get that self-righted. I think I want to switch back to the other. Put these two on the ramp, the rock over there. It helps get more height for backflips. Going for distance on this one, really. If I can hit the damn ramp. Sorry, I didn't follow the car there. Hit my brake for some reason and then I saved it. Well, let's do something to a Maverick. Pull it forward, pull it back. Oh, gotta hit the jump, man. Oh. What do they call it? I forget what the old timers call the Mavericks. That was really sideways. My hand's starting to hurt. Sorry for breathing on you right there. 8 minutes and 30 seconds in. Pretty good video. Let's do another minute and a half though. Not enough brake apply. I'm in a hole. Usually I'd have enough power to get it out of a situation like that. Maybe not. Maybe it's just these big pockets in the ground don't allow it to self-right. Good backflip and then I'm done. Another leaf in there. There's always going to be a leaf in my freaking... Oopsie. Body came undone. Alright. Show you how easy it is to fix that. Maybe you can do it one-handed. Boom. Oops. Let me get the back latch. There we go. Hogging is insane. Damn. I said wait.